This is the fall distance interactive calculator, which solves kinematic equations for objects in freefall. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a drop-down menu to select calculation mode with 6 options: calculate distance, calculate time, calculate final velocity, calculate initial velocity, calculate acceleration, and calculate height from velocity change. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate distance. The input fields are initial velocity v0 in meters per second, acceleration g in meters per second squared, time t in seconds, distance d in meters, and final velocity v in meters per second. Here's a worked example. I'll enter an initial velocity of 10 meters per second, acceleration of 9.81 meters per second squared, and time of 2.5 seconds. After clicking calculate, the results show distance fallen is 30.66 meters. Final velocity is 24.53 meters per second. Impact energy per kilogram is 300.7 joules per kilogram, and average velocity is 12.26 meters per second. These outputs tell us exactly how far the object falls, its speed at impact, the kinetic energy per unit mass, and the mean velocity during the fall. Perfect for any projectile motion calculations. Find the link in the description below. Perfect for any projectile motion calculations. Find the link in the description below. Perfect for any projectile motion calculations. Find the link in the description below.